Tired of guessing if your Costco Trugrill chicken strips are cooked through? Let's get them perfectly done every single time. Today, we're tackling those delicious Trugrill chicken strips you love grabbing from Costco, the secret to juicy. Safe chicken lies in knowing the right cook times and temperatures for your chosen method. We'll cover baking, pan-frying, and grilling, so you can pick the best option for you, whether you're at home or on the go. First up, baking. Preheat your oven to a consistent 400 degrees Fahrenheit, or about 200 degrees Celsius. Arrange your chicken strips in a single layer on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper for easy cleanup. Bake them for approximately 12 to 15 minutes. You're looking for a beautiful golden brown color and an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, or 74 degrees Celsius. A meat thermometer is your best friend here. For pan-frying, heat a tablespoon or 2 of your preferred cooking oil in a non-stick skillet over medium-high heat once shimmering. Carefully add your chicken strips, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Cook for about 4 to 6 minutes per side again. The goal is that irresistible golden brown crispiness and that crucial internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Grilling adds a wonderful smoky flavor. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat. Lightly oil the grates to prevent sticking. Place the chicken strips on the hot grill and cook for approximately 3 to 4 minutes per side. You want those appealing grill marks, and to ensure the inside reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Always remember to let your chicken rest for a few minutes after cooking. This allows the juices to redistribute, making it even more tender and delicious. Enjoy your perfectly cooked Costco Trugrill chicken strips.